This was regarding a bill. Now this bill, there are rules that have to be followed in the assembly. As per rule 41, any bill that is introduced has to be circulated 3 days in advance. Ana, this was what was discussed in the BAC. But J discussion, everything has been bulldozed. We say that we need to study. Particularly with that bill, Alton stood up, tried to spot out and said that you all know the status in the appropriation bill. Before that I spoke. Almost 900 crores or 1000 crores have to be recovered. Recovered from coal industry, 270 crores. 400 crores from power guzzlers in the industry unit. About 250 crores from mine owner. This adds up to almost 1000 crores. 35 crores, 34,000 applications are pending in the social welfare department. ये आम्ही येता कितें हिंगा आम्ही येता आम जेवपा मोड जावपा येता हिंगा आम्ही येता हिंगा लोकांगेले प्रश्न मांडपाक. So it was his as a legislator he stood up and it is his right. No one can stop him. When they were stopping him, they created a commotion. So basically we are here because of the people. हाल आमकां म्हाका जाल्यार लोकांक गोरदाड्याक कोंता येता. I don't mind, but I want to perform as a legislator. By God's grace, I am quite okay and quite satisfied. So we are here in the opposition. As I said, told you all in the past, I don't think we have any price tag on this. We are honestly working from our heart. Whatever issues we have raised, whatever issues we have done as an opposition also, we have come together, and this is what Goa wants to see. Ultimately, if you see, Goa wants this opposition together. Goa wants us to take this government head on. We are, आमकां राती जायत फोन येताय from all the sections of the society. And लोक आज खुशाल आहा की बाबा हिंगा हुई ना हुई जेन्ना आमगेले 8 जाय आमदार आज हे आमदार काँग्रेसीचे उलयताय. काँग्रेसी हुस्तार सगळें केलां, एब्सोल्युटली सगळें केलां आनी एक आज तोंड आहा उलोवपाक म्हाका खबर ना खंयच तोंडान ते उलयताय. एंड वॉट दे आर क्रिटिसायझींग इतलीं वर्सां इतलें सगळें केलें ते काँग्रेसी हुस्ता केलां आनी आज they know that they are retired. I'm telling you, these people have taken voluntary retirement service. So whatever issues were day to day we have raised, we have asked the Chief Minister to use austerity measures, because the way प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचे आज 1,90,000 रीण आहा, 28,000 करोडाचे रीण आहा. मायनिंगा हुस्तार हेंचे इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट हे कोताय. Everywhere there is event. Yesterday I said the agriculture department is infested with this virus of events. Oittinga event, absolutely everywhere event, and post facto. So this is the mantra of this government. We have taken them head on, and I request through your medium that I request to all the opposition members. I think some way we need to forget our political differences when it comes to Goa, and I hope that through your medium I request that let us all unite together for Goa's interest. Withdraw reason maglo na amdagade reason hui amdagade. So in te kai cholna. They didn't know why. I'm saying why did you introduce it? So haphazardly an introduction zada sokantin or ache. This is what happened. This is the result of.
You mean to say opposition is not united in Goa?
There is no question of asking whether opposition is not united. You have seen. We are all united. We discuss several issues. I think if you are asking today whether opposition is not united, then you have to check twice again what has happened. We have raised issues. There is something known as floor management. We have discussed daily, day in, all issues in all the question hour, calling attention, 0 hours, private members resolution, during the bills, during demands. Every time we have shown and we have shown. I think you all also are aware, and I'm thankful to all of them, and I'm thankful to the Honorable MLA of Kepe for standing by principles. I think this is something that is the need of the hour. We don't mind if people send us home, but at least tomorrow anka ottole munis bailan ki baba ye in kon amdar ele ani ye uloile muinga. कित्याक दिस इज द टेम्पल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. इट इज अ रायट टू स्पीक हियर. आमी मन जावपा येयले न्ही, ओ कोदेल कोदेल गरम करपा येयले न्ही. आम येयले हिंगा आमगेलो हक्क जो आहा ह्या हक्का पासून लढ.
युरी बाबा गव्हर्नमेंटाक एप्रिशिएट केला की कोंकणीन इलिगल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज बंद जाला, कॅसिनो जुगार.
हांवें चीफ मिनिस्टराक कितें जालें 0 hour आहले म्हगे 0 hourक हांवें एक मेन्शन केलें. लास्ट 4 days माय 0 hours वर थ्रोन आउट. So today the 0 hour was आज एक on one newspaper it is highlighted in Picture that because of this illegal gambling there was 10 lakhs and one particular his son is missing. That is a report on a news daily. So I had put that. So I told the chief minister, I congratulate you because currently in my constituency it is stopped, but there is news that it will start tomorrow. So that is what he gave me an assurance. Also I said that it has happened in Kurucharam, which he said he would look into.
युरी बाबा मी पहिले लास्ट टाइम त्यांना पार्लियामेंटरी स्पीकर इल्ले ओम बिर्ला त्यांना तुम्ही अटेंड जाऊन करूंक नासले, त्यांना प्रेसिडेंट येतले त्यांना तुम्ही अटेंड करतले.
See, I think there is a lot of days for the 23rd. So we will take all the opposition members into confidence and then we will tell you what we will.
एल्टन बाब, आयज तुजो मेजर 18 दिसाची असेंब्ली सोंपता आनी तुजो मेजर इश्यू अशें गॅम्बलिंगाचो तुमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन चड जाला.
युरी बाबान सांगले बस 4 फावटी 0 hour तेणें हें घायलें फियर एंड एंग्जायटी आमगे गोंयच्या लोकांचे. आनी हांवें हो पॉयंट काडलो गॅम्बलिंगाचो. म्हाका दिसता लास्ट 22 days फ्रॉम 18th of July टील आज आतां टायम गेलो 7 जालीं 10 मिनट जाय. सद्या तरी बंद आहा. आतां 6:30 काबार आसली, 6:30 स्टार्ट जालेलें खबर ना म्हाका. समज तरी पोत्तून गॅम्बलिंग तरी गोंयचे समज हें ऑनलायन गेमींग आनी हें चालू जालें जाल्यार गोंयचे जनतेन चिंतपा जाय हे पयशे डायरेक्ट BJP सरकारा वयताय. हें आमगे सारको क्लियर तुमकां तो हें चार्ज इफ अगेन गॅम्बलिंग स्टार्ट्स इन गोवा आनी आमगे यूथ समज गोंयकार भुरगीं तरी काबार जाताय जाल्यार इट वॉज जस्ट एन आय वॉज टील द असेंब्ली. पोत्तून जालें जाल्यार BJP गव्हर्मेंट वील बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल द मॅस वीच इज हॅपनिंग इन गोवा. भुरगीं काबार जाल्यार फॅमिली डिस्ट्रॉय जाताय. आनी पोत्तून समज कळ्ळें जाल्यार म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिलें, म्हाका हांवें सांगलें व्हिडियो तर तुका PI दाखय जाल्यार PI सस्पेंड न्हू डिसमिसूच करपाचो.